Asprova are now used 3,167 sites in 44 countries. Why Asprova the market leader? These are typical machines in today's factories: injection molding, chip mounter, press machines, and may have robots and AGV. They work in minutes and seconds. Thanks to DX IoT Industry 4.0 Smart Factory, we can connect and manage them easily and low cost today. These are typical schedules in factories, like Gantt chart and spreadsheet. And this is weekly, and this is daily, daily load chart, daily Gantt chart. All daily schedules with quantity or number. If apparel factory or heavy metal processing factory by people match to daily schedules. But today's factory mismatch to daily schedule because these are working by minutes and seconds. This factory match to Asprova. Asprova can schedule each machine start and end time in minutes and seconds. This is Asprova dispatching view. Horizontal axis represents machine's name, resource name, reactor, extractor, adjuster third. Vertical axis represents calendar. On reactor, in reactor, June 14th, first job is order 9. Its third process, start time 7 o'clock and end time 13 o'clock. Second job is order 7, third process, start time 13 o'clock and end time 19 o'clock. This is Asprova Gantt chart. You can see there are a lot of jobs in a day. And this is Asprova inventory graph. When you click this job, you can get its detailed information from this window, such as start time, end time, and more. You may afraid too much detail and complicated, but don't afraid. When you click here, you can also use object view. This view gives you the simple illustration and tells you this job's functionality and relationship with other jobs simply, clearly with this simple illustration. With daily schedule, you can't improve today's factories. Naturally, you can understand world-leading factories deploy Asprova, why they use Asprova. Start Asprova ASAP. Most of our users began Asprova when they had thousands of items or orders in a month, and took half a year or more to implement Asprova. It's not easy. I recommend you to start Asprova when you have over hundreds of items and you can easily deploy Asprova in a short time. So we have now price for small data start. Please ask our partner in your country.